here's how you can play any of your favorite YouTube video or song in background. At first, you'll need to get this app named Y Music. It's an awesome app made by one of the XDA developers. What it basically does is list all the songs that are on your local drive at first. If you want to search any YouTube song, you can just click on the search option here and type the term you want to search and click on the search online option here. It also a list of YouTube videos, and you can click one of your favorites and listen to it on the background as well when it loads. For example, this song from NCS can be played. Look, this is being played on the background. By default, it does not play the video, but if you want to play the video, you can click here and go to auto and see the video as well. You can also download the videos. You can download it as audio or as video as well from here. Thank you. See you on the next video.